the size, how the Lakeview is going to look like, and then especially the view as well too. So we see if you're able to do 2 stop, if not 1 stop. But what we're going to show you is what is already done. So yes, it's still a scale model, but I want you to experience what the lakefront and Ontario look like. So this sales center is actually, when you actually see that in the scale model, it's the one with the red dot. Now, this $10 million structure more than likely will be demolished and transformed into retail and the mixed-use amenities too. Remember, Vanessa was telling you about the sunflower field. It's actually right behind you. So when you come back in the summertime, you're going to have sunflower field not only cleaning up the soil, but there's also a summer attraction as well. In the summertime, when you come here, a power plant. Now, if you actually look straight ahead, you see the sign PHCC. It's actually all this is start of construction. As the developers preparing for other development to build. So while our building is started construction, to all the infrastructure is actually in place already. So as we speak, so this to your right and straight ahead, it's a part of the waterfront community already. When we get past this construction, we're going to see the structure which is complete. To your right, you will also see a baseball field. The local baseball field is actually here too. Now, attention to both sides. This is the actual water feature that you're ready to do. So some of the local museums bike here, you see a lot of bike lane going along. Now, what we're heading, it's actually a private yacht club called Credit Yacht Club. So you see a beautiful yacht there too. That's a private one. And City of Mississauga also have 3 other yacht club. One's public, one is on actually for a non-motor boat as well. You would all actually see it as big. Now the first one, pay attention. There was a boat tour here too, and sometimes way back when we do construction, we do boat tour here. So the location of all the Lakeview is all the way there. You see all the cranes? So those are the Lakeview that we're building, the Lakeview village that we're building. The actual harbor walk is the 3 construction cranes. So imagine that's the view, right? So when you walk out to the building, this will be kind of the same setting. Like obviously newer, more renewal, so that's your lifestyle. Now, if I actually go, yeah, of course, you take the location, you actually look west. That's the skyline. It's not the best, but it is clearer. You'll be able to kind of see that. Here, skyline for City of Toronto. Okay.
The only Japanese pizza I know is arigato.